Hi. Thanks for joining us at Hillman Reid. Let's get started reviewing how to create automated and manual product collections. Visit hillmanreid.com and use the dropshipping menu. Go to Shopify app and click the link to our product tags. Here you will find the full list of HR product tags. They include main and sub collections, ingredient tags, as well as container and lid type tags. We're going to our Shopify admin to products and we'll select collections. Let's create a new collection and use a tag to create a sub collection for beard care products. Let's name this collection beard oil. Now let's use the tag BO for beard oil. This tag will automatically populate the list of products. We're going to save this update and then go to Online Store in the admin menu. Select navigation. We will update our store menu layout so that it becomes visible. Let's edit the main menu. I'm going to use the beard care menu that I had. We're going to name this new menu item as beard oil. Then find the beard oil category that we just created. You can drag the menu items to organize them how you like. The only way to organize this is to do so manually. Once the changes are saved, we can look at our demo store to see the updated menu. This store has a hidden menu system. Clicking through, we can see the new category on the list. So there you have it, all set. We'll jump back to our admin panel and create a manual collection. Let's create a new collection. And then name it Summer Sale. By default, the collection is set to manual. Once you save a new collection, you cannot change it to an automated collection. Let's look for the products we want to add. You can filter by searching for keywords. I'm going to randomly select some products for demonstration. Once selected, just hit the Add button to update the collection. Here's all the products we added. Now we'll go back to look at the collection list. You'll notice the manual collection doesn't list any tags used while the automated collections show them. There was have it. We hope this was helpful, but if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell for updates.